Hey, hey, it is time for another cash stuffing. Okay, last paycheck of September. Let's do it. So let's start with rollover. I believe I have barely any coins. I want to say I did really good with my spending this time, but I don't know. I feel like I didn't spend a lot of times, but each time I did, I spent a lot of money, if that makes sense. So yeah, I don't think I really have any coins. A couple. And I want to go to the car wash soon, so I'm probably going to end up taking some quarters out of here. We will see. So that's the change. Not much. And let's see what we have here for rollover cash. Now, I did go to the grocery store a couple times. I reimbursed myself from my sinking fund. What else did I do? I can't remember, but I did reimburse myself once or twice. So, all right, let's see what we got here in fun. And actually, let me put some sort quick on real quick. And I want to show you this Happy Mail really quick. I already opened it because I was just too excited, but it's from Ren. And I saw these on her shop and I was like, need. So it's these horror character scratch offs and they're laminated. And it said that you would save 100. So I believe it's 100 with all 4 of them, which is nice because that means they're going to be pretty low amounts, hopefully. So how stinking cute are they? I hope to be able to do them all in October and finish them all in October. But Ren is so sweet. She gave me these freebies. Look how cute. The spider and the ghost. That one's my favorite. And look at this cauldron. How adorable. And again, these are laminated, you guys. So these are awesome, awesome quality. So yeah, go check out her shop. Like I said, if you haven't yet, or if you need some new challenges, go check out Ren's shop because it is fantastico. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, so let's lube up my fingertips. All right, so in fun, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did go to the pumpkin patch last weekend. We had a great time. And I only spent, I think, like 40 bucks out of the 100 that I had. So what I was going to do was I was going to bring Kids Has Nothing, the rest home and recycle it and put it into another savings challenge, but I didn't. I decided to just put it in the bank and put it towards my credit card because I had a little bit of spending that I did, which that's been the theme for weeks and weeks now. So I just put it towards the card. So, all right, so $7 left in dining. And miscellaneous still has the full 40. So altogether we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 113 in rollover here, and this will just go to the side for savings challenges. Okay, so wallet as usual. The amounts stay the same. So, oh, wait, where's the money? All right, so we're working with 300 here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3. And fun gets 140. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. So 140 here for fun. Dining gets 80. No, sorry, kids gets 20. Dining gets 80, 20, 40, 60, 80. Gas stays in the bank. And then miscellaneous gets 40. I have 20 left for sinking funds. We are going to the fair on Monday, finally. And although I have money saved for that, if I don't have enough, it's going to have to come out of here, or my husband's going to have to pay. So, all right, what are we doing with sinking funds? Not too many. Let's move this over a little bit. So for sinking funds, I already have my prop money out because sinking fund money I keep in the bank. I transfer right to savings. So Prime, we're doing $20. We're doing good with this. And you guys, I realized something. So I have my subscription folder. Trying to decide what color I want to use, like it really matters. So I have my subscription sinking fund, right? And I just had to take, I believe, $25 out of it for my Sirius XM subscription because it renewed. And the rest I was going to funnel into saving that $1,700 for my car insurance, because even though that's not technically a subscription, that was going to be the next thing I was going to save for. But I realized this is saving for Amazon Prime and Amazon Kids, and it's not for Amazon Music, which I also subscribe to and pay for a year at a time. So I'm going to need to stuff some more money in this after I do these 4, because everything is due in March. It just so happens the 3 subscriptions all renew in March within a couple days of each other. So that's like a big chunk of money. So yeah, I'm going to need to stuff more than this. I have no idea how much the music subscription is, but I'll have to figure that out. And I did get an email that one of these was going up. I want to say maybe it was the music, maybe it was the kids, I don't know. But anyway, I have to stuff more than this. So we now have 140. Let me grab a sticker here. I'm trying to keep stickers on all the prop money so you all can tell the difference and so I can quickly tell the difference. So 140 in there. I'm going to have to stuff either this or subscriptions a little bit more once I'm done with that. All right, so that's Prime. Medical is getting 40, and I just had to pay a bill for $30, but I just paid it out of the buffer, so I didn't want to take $30 out of the savings for that. All right, so medical has 0, you guys. Need to start bulking this up. We don't have any 40. Like plans for anything medical, but you know, obviously that kind of stuff is not always planned. So what day is it? 9/21, I think. My watch battery is dead, so I can't check the date there. All right, so $40 going into medical, and we're gonna start building this back up again. Okay, so the last 2, Penelope and Vacation, I got out cash for Penelope because I like to use cash at the groomer. They don't take debit cards or anything. But as usual, my ATM only gives 20s, so let's see if we can make change here from my savings challenge money. 5, 10, 15, 20. Perfect. All right, that was easy. Okay, so vacation is getting 30, so 20 in prop, 10 in real cash. Normally, like I said, I would do it all in prop, but the ATM only gives increments of 20, and I'm only doing 10 in Penelope. So hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, vacay is empty as well. Everything is empty here, you guys. It's a sad, sad day. I need to start, you know, trying to bulk this up again. Now, the good news is that I applied for that save repayment plan for my student loans, and it is going to save me almost $100 a month on my student loan payment. So I have an extra almost $100, and I thought, oh, I'm going to make just, you know, an extra snowball payment. But actually, I may not. I may try to use that money towards, you know, building up my sinking funds a little bit, because they really have taken a hit lately. And I don't want them so empty. So I may do that. And then also, there was something else I thought that I was going to have a little extra money in my paycheck for, but I don't know, maybe not. So that's vacay. Last but not least is going to be Penelope. And with Penelope, I was thinking the other day that I really need to stuff this more, because she gets her annual vet visit in December every year. And that's easily over $100. In addition, I use this money for her grooming, and her grooming is like $55, it looks like, probably. So I need to really stuff this. Also, I may need to end up taking out money from that pet emergency savings challenge I'm doing to cover her vet visit, because I really don't want to put it on a credit card. So we will see. I really need to get going on this. I've been just giving her 10 here and there, because I'm like, oh, she doesn't really need much, without thinking about that vet visit. So yeah, so that was that last 10. I added it in here. So we now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 2, 3, 4. So 94, but again, grooming is 55. She's definitely going to have at least one, maybe two grooming appointments before December, and then her vet visit will be, it's usually in the beginning of December. And if I buy her medication, like her heartworm and flea and tick and stuff, that the visit is over $300 easy. So $94 just isn't going to do it. All right, but that is it for the stuffing. Thank you all so much for being here, for watching. I'm so happy to have you. I love you all. I'm grateful for you all, and I will see you in the savings challenge video.